Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today we're at the Dollar Tree. We are doing $1 crafts.
Can we do one challenge?
We're looking for crafts at the dollar store.
For a challenge? Challenge time!
Okay, they have a lot of Christmas stuff there. We're doing Thanksgiving crafts, not Christmas crafts, because it's not Christmas yet. We're just kind of looking around. One of the crafts that I want to do involves candles, so let's find candles.
This one won't fit.
It's not a hat, silly.
Oh, what
Make it
is
for your doors.
Okay, now we're done in the dollar store. Now we are going to Michael's to get a couple more things. Want to say hi?
Hi, people.
Hi. And there's a couple things I want. We need a couple more jars. We need flowers, and I want pine cones if we can find it. So let's go. Okay, so. Oh, that's not the car. That's not the car. Wait, that's not our car. So we're done at Michael's, and now we're gonna go home to do the crafts, which is the best part instead of watching a show. So for our first craft, we're gonna do we're gonna paint the jars, and we're gonna have like a leaf imprint, and then yeah, you're gonna see it's gonna look cool. It's kind of hard to explain, but we have these leaf prints. So yeah, we're gonna like stick them on there and then do them. So what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need a jar, which we all have. You're gonna need some paintbrushes. You're gonna need some.
I don't want it to get on me.
Okay, so you're gonna need a jar. You're gonna need paint, whichever color you want. We're doing orange. And then the thing you're also gonna need is vinyl. And then fake flowers. And then these two are optional, yarn and this is optional. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, Swade's already a step ahead. Okay. Just peel off the vinyl to the sticker.
Stick it on the jar.
Mine, if I can get it. But it doesn't matter if you see the black because you're just gonna paint over it and then you're gonna peel it off. Okay, so now we're just gonna paint the entire bottle. Gonna have to do multiple coats because as you can see, it like messes up. I'm gonna color this whole thing orange, and then once it dries, and then do a second coat. I'm gonna do patches of different colors so it looks like, like all these sometimes have different colors. So
Cool.
that's what I'm gonna do with mine. Just gonna let it dry, but while I'm doing that, I'm gonna cut this so that cut it and then it'll be in there. And you wanna make sure you cut the stem short enough because otherwise if you don't, then it's gonna show the stem when you peel off the thing. So while my other one is drying, I'm gonna work on this one. So it's wreath, and we just got a bunch of different things, like pine cones, leaves, more leaves, and just some other things to glue on. So for this one, you're just gonna need decorative things and a glue gun. So let's just start.
You gonna do your wreath too?
But for me, I didn't want a wreath personally, so I'm gonna do something else.
You're gonna do
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brush, of course, and then I'm gonna make a little painting. So see what I come up with. Look at what an artist I am.
I want to do what Casey's doing.
Okay.
I'm gluing on the bigger pieces first because it's easier that way, so then I can fit the little things on next. So that's what I'm doing.
Tell them what you're doing, Sway.
Painting and editing.
Awesome.
Rainbow.
I'm kind of just outlining this with gold for now, and I'm trying to get this kind of even. And I'm planning on making a little pilgrim hat in the middle.
Nice.
With the little belt and stuff, maybe a couple feathers.
Awesome.
I think it's gonna turn out pretty good, guys.
I'm just gluing things on wherever. I'm not really sure where I'm gluing them.
That's all you gotta do.
So I'm now like doing this so that I can hang my wreath like that because it's pretty much done. So, so let's go put it up in the room. I built this for Xoxo. So I have this welcome with knock sign, but I'm gonna put this on. Perfect. Oh, looks so cute. I love that. Now that this is dry, I'm gonna start painting on it again. Second layer already looks so much better.
Show them your picture and tell them about it.
Yeah.
Don't want to tell them what it is?
Papa puppy.
A robot puppy.
It's an eye.
Awesome. So cool, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, so you working on your hat?
Yep, done. Well, not yet, but almost. I'm gonna put a little bit of the black. Ah! Now I'm gonna do the second coat for my jar.
I'm painting these puzzle pieces. Just find any puzzle. It doesn't really matter how big, how small. Well, if you do like really small pieces, you have to paint more. But if you do bigger pieces, you don't have to paint as more. I didn't realize these were so small, but. There we go.
Look at mine. It has a flashlight in it.
All right, so we finished all of our crafts here. They look amazing and awesome and fun. I'm so glad they worked. They all actually worked, so that's a bonus. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like this, and let us know by giving this video a big thumbs up if you did any of these or if you like them. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and Kason's channel.
Oh yeah, boy. Load up the subscribers.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in our next one. Bye!